So I have done over $306,000 in 1 month by doing this one simple thing, and that's by building my email lists. Now in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can build an email list from complete scratch. But more importantly, if you stick to the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can copy and paste my entire business as your own. I'm talking about the landing pages, the exact same system, the same emails. You can literally copy and paste my exact same business. But before I give you that, I want to show you step by step how to build an entire email list from complete scratch. Let's get into it. Now, before I show you how to build an email list, I just want to show you some quick proof. This is one of my email accounts. As you can see, over 432,000 emails I've been able to generate. And as you can see, this is actually another business that I launched just a month ago. And as you can see, with this business, we've generated over 71,000 email leads. Now that's a total of over 500,000 leads that we've generated in the business. Now, why is email marketing so important and why you should be focusing on building an email list? No matter what business you're in, whether you're an affiliate marketer, whether you have your own coaching or consulting, whether you have some sort of e-commerce or brick and mortar business, whatever business that you have, you need to be building your email list because the money is in the list. If you have a list of people, you can sell them over and over and over. And that's how my business does anywhere from $300,000 to $400,000 a month because I've generated this list of people that I can now offer them multiple offers, multiple services, and multiple products. Now, how much can you actually make from your email list? And the answer really depends on what you're promoting and what type of products and services that you offer. But in my space, I teach people how to build their email list for affiliate marketing. So typically you can make anywhere from $1 to $2 for every person on your email list. So for example, if you wanted to make $10,000 a month, then you would need a list of emails of at least 10,000 people. Now, of course, the numbers vary depending on your skills when it comes to email marketing, what you're promoting, and of course, the type of emails that you're writing. But that's the typical amount that you can make when you're building your list. Okay, so let's get into how to build an email list from complete scratch. Okay, so step number one is you need to sign up for an email service provider or an email sender. This can also be called an email autoresponder, but basically this is the service that both collects the emails and it sends your automated emails as well. So as an example, I'm in my email autoresponder service, and as you can see, I have multiple lists depending on the type of products I'm promoting. But as you can see, I'll have different lists and I can see how many people are within these lists. Now, there's a ton of softwares that you could sign up for, like Aweber, GetResponse, System.io, MailChimp, ActiveCampaign. There are a ton of email softwares that you can sign up for. Now, I've personally used all of the ones that I mentioned, but my favorite one that I recommend is GetResponse. It's user-friendly, it's not that expensive, plus you could sign up for a free 30-day trial. Now, as you can see, I'm using GetResponse to build my email list. As you can see, I can see how many emails I've generated. I can see all the emails that I'm sending. And what's even cool is I could even automate the emails. So when people get on my list, I could send them a series of emails completely 100% automated. Now, I'll leave a link down below to the GetResponse program. And if you use that link, you'll get 30 free days to try out this service for yourself. But of course, feel free to try other services if GetResponse is not a fit for you. Again, I've personally used all of the other programs that I've mentioned in this video, and GetResponse was just the best one for me. But like I said, some people like different features, and maybe GetResponse doesn't have that, or you don't like something that GetResponse does. So 100% do your research and see what else is out there. That's just my recommendation because that's what I use. Okay, so once you sign up for an autoresponder, we can go to step number 2. Now, step number 2 is super important. This is probably the main reason why I've been able to build such a large list. And that's by giving out something of value 100% free. This is also called a lead magnet. Basically, the goal is we're trying to build an email list, right? We want people to give us their emails so we can send them products to buy, to market, and all that good stuff, right? So how do we get people on our list? We want to give something out 100% free. Now, this could be anything. It could be a free book. It could be a free course. It could be a checklist, something that's going to help your target audience get the result that they want. Now, with that being said, you have to create a free lead magnet depending on your target audience. So for example, if you are in the keto niche and you're trying to help people with the keto diet, maybe you have a cheat sheet of the top foods that they can eat that's keto friendly and that's going to help them lose weight. So for example, what you would want to do is create some sort of page where you're like, hey, I'm going to give you this free checklist, this free cheat sheet in exchange for your email. So in that case, that person is going to want that free thing. So they're going to want to give you their email. Now, this is where it becomes super powerful because now we're building a list of people that are actually interested in what you have to offer. We're not doing anything weird where we're spamming, getting all these emails and just cold emailing them. We're not doing any of that. What we're doing here is we're building a very targeted list of people that actually want your products and services. Now, as an example, this is one of my free lead magnets. Now, I have a ton of lead magnets that I use to build my email list, but this one right here has been working insanely well. And as you can see, what I'm giving people is a free course. So I'm saying, hey, I'm going to show you this free course on how you can start a business from home. Now, this is cool because I actually give someone a free course when they enter their email. So all they do here is they click this button here and they enter their email, and then I'm going to send them an email with access to this free course. Now, here's another example of another lead magnet that I've used to build my email list. Now, this one here was a book that I wrote called The 7 Steps to Become a Super Affiliate. So again, I know my target audience and I want to help them get a certain result. So what I'm giving them here is a completely free book on how to get started. Now, this is where it becomes really powerful because as an email marketer, my goal is to create multiple lead magnets to get people on my email list. So obviously I have the free book, I have the free course, I have another lead magnet called my YouTube cheat sheet. So I have a ton of these email lists and these email lead magnets to get people on my email list. Now, remember to stick to the end of this video because I'm going to show you how you can copy my exact same lead magnets as your own. Okay, so now that you've created the lead magnet, or if you stick to the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can copy my exact lead magnet. But either way, you want to have some sort of lead magnet, whether you're creating it yourself or you copy my exact same lead magnet as your own, okay? The next step is we need to give that lead magnet away, and at the same time, we need to be able to build our email list. So step number 3 is we need to build a landing page for our lead magnet. Now, what is a landing page? This is simple. All it is when somebody lands on this landing page, all that's happening on the landing page is we're getting an email because we're giving out something for free. So essentially, if we're looking at a landing page, and here's an example right here of one of my landing pages, it's usually short, sweet, and super simple, okay? One of the main goals with a landing page is you have a headline, and then basically you have a button, and sometimes you have some copy here. Basically just states that, hey, this is why you should get this free lead magnet. And then of course you have a picture. So typically you'll have like 4 to 5 elements in a landing page, right? We got the headline here, we got the button, I'm gonna put copy here, and then a picture, okay? So that's basically what you would have in a simple landing page. Now, some people don't even add all this stuff, right? Like you can literally just have everything above this line here, and it would be even more simpler, okay? But what I'm trying to say here is the goal of the landing page is to simply get an email. That's it. There's no other goal with this site right here. There's not other buttons or navigations. All we're trying to do is grab someone's email. So when I click on this button, it's going to ask for their name and their email address, and it says, hey, where do you want me to send this free lead magnet, and send me your best email. Now, to build this landing page, you're going to need a funnel building software. Now, I personally use ClickFunnels. That's what I use in all of my landing pages, all of my lead magnets. That's one of the easiest ways that you can start building a list. But there's other options as well. The other one I would recommend is System.io. And if you want to check it out, I have a complete video showing you how to build an email list using System.io. Check out this video right here, and it's going to show you exactly how to get started using System.io. Okay, so step number 4 is we want to write our automated email sequence. Now this, in my opinion, is one of the most important steps, because once someone becomes an email subscriber, you want to send them a list of emails. That way they can buy your products, services, or if you're an affiliate marketer like me, they can buy multiple different products. That's the cool thing about somebody now being on your email list. You own that list and you could promote any product that you want. So now when someone's on your email list, you can have a series of emails promoting different products, and you don't even have to own these products, because if you're doing affiliate marketing like what I teach, you could simply sign up for products and use that email list to promote multiple different products. Now, I want to show you an example of how my email sequence works. Now, as you can see, when someone becomes an email subscriber, they then get an email every single day. So you can see email number 1, then it says wait a day. Okay, so they get the first email, then this sequence waits a day, then it gets a new email, and then it just kind of keeps going for a long time. Okay, because my goal is to get somebody to buy the products and services that I have to offer. And then after this happens, then I will then promote multiple other products as well. So that's the cool thing. Now, when you're building this automated sequence, obviously what you want to do is you want to welcome your email subscribers, give them the free lead magnet that you promised them. But then of course you can then market to your email subscribers. Now, the cool thing is what I do is I don't just promote. You don't always want to be promoting every single email. So what I've done in my business is when someone becomes an email subscriber, I will switch it up between giving them a promo, a free value email, and I'll even send them to a YouTube training. So it's a win-win, because if I'm sending someone to a YouTube training, 1, they're gonna get value, and 2, I'm gonna grow my YouTube channel, which is another part of how I grow my email list. But I don't recommend just saying promo every single email. You wanna be switching it up. You wanna give your audience value, because if you always promote, they're gonna stop opening your emails, or they're gonna unsubscribe. Now, as far as writing the emails, you can use something like ChatGPT and prompt AI to write the emails for you. Or I recommend writing at least the baseline yourself and then maybe asking ChatGPT to help you. But you want to make sure these emails are connecting with your audience. If you're just using something like ChatGPT, it might sound robotic and not authentic. I mean, I do recommend using ChatGPT to get some inspiration for your emails, but I would still add the human touch, because I believe people know if it's a human or a robot. And then of course, I'm gonna show you how you can copy my exact emails that you can use inside of your business. And I'll mention that here at the end. But this leads me to the last and final step, and that's building your email list. So we've done all the hard work. We've created the landing page, we've created the lead magnet, we've created the emails, but now we need people to start entering their email so we can build our list and start making money. Now, how do we do this? This is where it becomes super fun to start building the list. But before I show you how to do that, do me a quick favor and write down in the comments down below, how many emails do you need to either 1, have the lifestyle of your dreams, or 2, be able to quit your 9-to-5 job. I know when I was building my list, one of my main goals was to build a list of over 10,000 people, because I knew I could build a list of 10,000 people, I could make at least $10,000 per month. So do me a favor, down below in the comments, just say how big you want to grow your email list. So how do we actually build this email list? Well, now we need to go out and start creating content, whether it's on YouTube or your website or Facebook. You want to make sure people know about your lead magnet. So even if you're creating short form videos on Instagram or TikTok, talking about the lead magnet, that's going to attract people to want to enter your email list. Again, people don't just go and subscribe to a random email list. You got to give them a reason why. So when you're creating your content, you got to have that in the back of your head. Why would people want to watch your videos, stop what they're doing, click the links in your TikTok bio or your Instagram bio, enter their email on your landing page, and get your free lead magnet, right? They're not going to want it unless it's really, really good and you give them a reason why they need that, but more importantly, how it's going to help them achieve their ultimate desire. Now, there's so many ways to drive traffic to your lead magnet. Like I mentioned, you can create content on YouTube, Instagram, but you can also pay for them. So for example, you can go to Facebook ads or YouTube ads, TikTok ads, and mention on an ad why people should click on your link and enter their email to get that free lead magnet. So this is one of the quicker ways to build your email list, and that's by running ads to that list. Now, the only caveat to that is you have to know your numbers. For example, if you're paying Facebook ads to show your ad and you're paying for a certain amount of people for your email list, you have to know how much that email list is going to make you. And if you're a complete beginner, you might not know those numbers. So what I recommend is when you're first starting out is creating content. The easiest ways to do that is going to Instagram and going to TikTok and creating simple 5, 10, 15-second videos showing people why your lead magnet can help them get the result they ultimately desire. Now, I do have a completely free training showing you how I get traffic to my landing pages, to my affiliate links, but more importantly, how to get traffic to your lead magnets. That way you can build your email list. So if you want access to that free traffic, you can just go to my YouTube channel and click on this video right here. And it's a full in-depth 30-minute video showing you how I use it to make $100,000 a month, specifically using free traffic. Now, the last and final thing is you gotta stay consistent. Whether you're running ads, you're creating content, the goal in business or online marketing or any business in general is to build that list as large as humanly possible. Again, the bigger the list, the more leverage you have in the online space. Again, you can take this email list and you can promote multiple different products and people are gonna pay you to promote their products, and you just have so much leverage that it's hard not to make money once you have a large list. Now, I did mention that you can completely copy my entire business as your own. So what I've done is I've created a white label course that you can give out as a lead magnet. So this one is super cool because what I allow you to do is first of all, I give you the course. I let you change out the links within that course. That way you get all the credits. And then more importantly, I give you the landing pages and I allow you to give out this course as your own, even though I've done all the work for you. So this is an amazing lead magnet because it has a ton of value attached to it. We're not just giving out a checklist or a free book. We're giving out an actual course. So if you're trying to build your email list, this is a great way to build your email list, is by giving out a high value lead magnet. Now, if you want access to the free course lead magnet, I show you how to set it up, how to use my exact same landing pages, how to use my exact same emails. If you want access to this, you're gonna wanna join my 72-hour challenge. I'll link that down below. You'll get access to my entire challenge showing you how to put it together, how to connect the email list to it, how to build the landing pages. But again, you can clone my exact same system. So you can literally click one button and it's gonna go into your account and you can start building your list as fast as humanly possible. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was of value. My name is Jonathan Montoya and the goal of this channel is to help you build a full-time passive income business so you can achieve financial and time freedom. We'll see you on the next video. God bless.